In this video, I'll show you how I make a bronzer highlighter. This bronzer highlighter does not dry the skin. It is moisturizing but not greasy and leaves a silky, luminous finish. As always, you can find the formula with all the information and alternatives to the ingredients I've used in the written posts. The link to the written post is in the description. I added cocoa caprylate and squalene to a heat-resistant beaker. These two ingredients are lightweight, non-comedogenic emollients. They contribute to a non-greasy feel and improve the bronzer's spreadability. You can find alternatives for these and the other ingredients in the written posts. I also used jojoba oil for another emollient. It is a liquid wax that closely matches the skin's natural oils, making it highly moisturizing and balancing. I added glycerol stearate, an emulsifier that adds a smooth and creamy feel to the product. The next ingredient I added was shea butter. I used the refined version because the unrefined one has a strong scent and I only use a small percentage of fragrance, so I didn't want the unrefined butter's scent to take over the final result. I added lecithin, an emulsifier that also acts as a skin conditioner. This version is more fluid, but you can also use the regular version of lecithin. Next is the carnauba wax. The wax provides structure to the product, helping it maintain its shape while staying soft and easy to apply on the skin. These ingredients went into a double boiler to be melted. Carnauba wax has a melting point of 82 to 86 degrees Celsius, making it one of the hardest natural waxes. This high melting point contributes to its ability to provide structure and durability to cosmetic products while allowing for a smooth, blendable texture. Now, it was time for the powders to be measured. I used silica microsphere, a lightweight powder that absorbs oil and gives the skin a smooth matte finish. Silica also helps blur fine lines and imperfections. If you don't have some of the ingredients I used, check the post for the alternatives. I also added silk powder. Silk powder gives the highlighter bronzer a luxurious, velvety feel while absorbing excess oil and controlling shine without drying the skin. It leaves the skin soft, smooth, and balanced, delivering a silky finish to the product. I also added zinc oxide for its soothing properties. For the color, I blended different mica colors, dark gold mica and a more bronze tone mica. You can create your tone by combining different colors to achieve the color and intensity you want for this bronzer. You can blend more than 2 colors, and you can get different undertones by playing with various combinations. If you want a more shimmery effect, you can add white shimmery mica or a light gold shade, which will enhance the shimmer. Micas have a sparkly effect which oxides don't have, and in this product, I didn't use oxides because I wanted a bronzer which can also be used as a highlighter and an eyeshadow. Once I mixed the powders, I could see what the final tone I would get from this combination of colors. You can see that this combination is not too dark, it's a medium shade of golden bronze. I made sure all the powders were well combined and blended before I added them to the beaker. Once I removed the beaker from the heat, I added the powders and mixed everything. When the powders were well combined into the mixture, it was time to add the Phase C ingredients. Phase C contains vitamin E and the fragrance oil. I added those and mixed again. You can make this product fragrance-free, skip the fragrance oil, and add the amount to the cocoa caprylate in Phase A when choosing fragrance oil or essential oil. Now that Phase C was combined, it was time to pour the mixture into a little jar and wait for it to cool down and solidify. When the bronzer highlighter cools down, it is ready to be used.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead.